What's good, YouTubers? It's Corey from DrifterTVHD coming to you with a quick unboxing of Jack the Giant Slayer and Life of Pi on Blu-ray. I picked Jack the Giant Slayer up, guys, from eBay for a decent price. I think I only paid 11 bucks for it. Came with the slipcover. The Life of Pi I picked up during Target's Father's Day sale for $13, which again, it was a decent price in my opinion. Let me know what you guys think of both these films in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. You could have been anywhere in the world, but you were here with me, DrifterTVHD, and I'm out.